Whoa! This rope ferry's drifting all over. What do we do?
Stay steady. We'll aim for the dock. The cargo must get across.
Wait, I see a smarter route. Follow me, everyone.
You're sure about this, Dino Squad? It looks risky.
Trust me, I'll guide us through. Watch the lines carefully.
All right, let's move carefully. Keep that rig steady. The lines are shaking. Hold on tight, everyone.
The hook's sliding out of place. We're running out of time. Wait, I see it. One clear move. Parrot, pull the rope now. Got it. Pulling now. Hang on.
The hook's locking in?
Yes, it's secure.
Good job, team. Whew, that was close, but we did it together.
Look, the cargo's settling perfectly. What teamwork!
This is what happens when we watch, plan, and act calmly.
Great job, everyone. What was your favorite moment? Tell us below.
Yeah, we'd love to hear. Let's hear your thoughts in the comments.